Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about installing NVIDIA RTX Voice. So if you don't know, this is a noise cancelling program, like an add-on, that passes through your microphone to other apps, but it uses the tensor cores on your graphics card to cancel out background noise. So Kyle Orland on Ars Technica was talking about getting it working on a GTX card, so no ray tracing needed. I'm just going to be showing you how to set it up and test on the RTX 2060 Super. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is to make sure that you have the latest driver. So driver 410.18, and it's supported in these apps, but I'm just going to test it in multiple different ones in like Audacity and see if it works. So the first thing you're going to need is to download the app. So click on that link. Okay, and once that's downloaded, you're going to want to go ahead and open it up. You can read the software agreement, agree and continue, and just install it. So it's going to launch. And all you really get is a menu that just says your input device. So I'm using the Yeti stereo microphone, and you can choose to remove background noise, noise suppression. Output device, you can remove background noise from the audio that's going into your headphones. I'm not going to do that. And then that's it. So I'm going to now switch over to the RTX Voice microphone. And hopefully there's a noticeable difference. I don't know if it's louder or quieter, but yeah. So that was it's a really easy setup. So the microphone I'm going to use is the Blue Yeti microphone. And so in OBS, it's just your audio input capture, and then your device is NVIDIA RTX Voice. In Audacity, you just choose microphone, NVIDIA RTX Voice. In Zoom, you can just choose NVIDIA RTX Voice as your microphone. For Discord, it's the exact same thing, NVIDIA RTX Voice. And now let's move on to the testing. And I'll put a green border around the video just so it's easy to tell what is with the RTX Voice and what is not with the RTX Voice. Alright, let's do that. Okay, so the first test we're going to do is just a snap. Really nothing. Alright, the next test is crushing crackers. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is the vacuuming up all the crumbs test. So a lot of crumbs, I'm going to remove the big ones. Set this aside, and then so as you can tell, there's a pretty good difference between just leaving your microphone the way it is and mashing the keys or whatever, and then just having it on. Like the vacuum, you can hear it's just like the air. You don't actually hear any loud humming. And so that pretty much wraps up my video on just like basic testing and how to install RTX Voice. I definitely recommend just getting it if you have an RTX card. Alright, thanks for watching.